Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi and you are welcome to the UTID Consult Diaries. Today we are going to look at how to use text to columns to paste data in Excel. What we mean by this is, assuming you have a data where you have the sales point address, so we have the zone separated by a comma, the location separated by a comma, then we have the city also separated by a comma. So assuming the data is consistent where each item is really separated by a comma but they are all fixed into one cell, but you want to separate the data into individual cells where the comma is, so that before the comma we want to push each individual item into its own cell. What do? So we use the text to column. So we select our data, we go to data, we go to text to columns. Okay, so we have our pop-up that's convert text to column wizard. So this one will be delimited since there's a consistency in there with a comma. Go to next. So here we are saying each is separated by a comma, so we check the comma. Even down there you can see that all the items are separated by a vertical lines down there. We go to next. So how do you want the output to be? You want it to be in general, and we really want it to be. Where do we want the destination to be? We want the destination to start from B34, so select the destination here, then we click on finish. Okay, so automatically you see that the numbers that the zones are really identified are put into its own column, the location also the same, the city the same, and the region also the same. Thank you very much for following us, and continue to follow us on UTID Consult Diary. Bye bye.